Is your head in the cloud? Is it time for business news? Yes, it is. And joining us is Geoff Bagg of Bagg Group. Geoff, thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Tom.
Listen, what exactly is the cloud? And we've all heard about it, but does anyone understand what it is?
It's a tough question, and I guess the way to think of the cloud is kind of like a shared resource. Think of it as a giant office building that gets built downtown, and people look for different things from the cloud or from this office building. Some people just want to move in. Some people want to move in and have furniture provided, and some people want to move in and have furniture and staff and have like a complete turnkey solution. That's probably the easiest way for people watching to think of the cloud.
Right, but you want to have this because of what?
I guess anytime you can pool and share your infrastructure, it's a good way to, I guess, have costs reduced, to streamline, and allow companies to really focus on what they do best. And the other thing is it gives a real competitive advantage to small and mid-sized firms.
Okay, let's talk about the impacts on business and specifically those employed in IT.
For sure. So there's always going to be people out there whenever there's a fundamental change like this that look for the downside. We tell people that when there's change, really embrace the change and look for what is the upside, what can you get out of this. And we really think this is going to create some tremendous opportunities for those people in the IT field and really for people in other areas, other sectors also.
Right. Understand it, then embrace it, right?
For sure.
Are we going to see any job losses?
Again, it's really early to say. If we look at, say, the web when it came in, it was almost a 10-year period for it really to take a full foothold. And it's the same with the cloud. We're right at the beginning. Down the road, there could be some job losses. But I think that really we have to look at what are going to be the gains. And I think the gains are going to be much more significant.
Right. Okay. And I asked you that because there is talk of IT jobs being outsourced. Is that correct? Because of cloud computing?
For sure. So because cloud computing is really the infrastructure, some of the basic jobs could be outsourced, but the fundamental high-value core jobs, those will always be kept within companies. And there's even debate on what will get outsourced or what will go to the cloud, because not all companies want to put their data on the cloud, and some companies want to continue to develop their own applications.
So basically, cloud computing is instead of having stuff in your office, on your desktop, your laptop, here, there, and everywhere, you put it all in one location, in another location that you can easily access. Is that correct?
Exactly. So that creates some real opportunities both for larger companies to save money and smaller companies that could never get into the IT game. Now they can get in and have the best tools available.
Right. Okay, Geoff, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
All right. You're watching City News Channel. Coming up